At first, all the student should open the laptop and also write a notebook. So please write the topic. Today topic is conditional operator. So the conditional operator is also known as a ternary operator. The conditional statements are the decision making statements which depends upon the output of the expression. So EXP means expression. It is represented by two symbols. First is question mark, second is colon. So variable is equal to expression 1, question mark, expression 2, then colon, and expression 3. If your expression 1 is correct, then your output is this. If your expression, the first expression is not correct, then your output is this. So here we will explain by the help of this example. First we have written hash. This is the header file. We are including stdio.h. That is the standard input output file. Okay. So then we have written int. Int means integer. Main. This is the main function. So then we have opened the curly bracket. Again we have written int. Int means integer. Int age. So this age, it will be integer. Okay. Then we have closed. Then printf. This studio.h, it will be by the help of this studio.h, this printf and scanf, it will work. So at first we have written printf and bracket open and closed. We have written inside this statement enter age. So it will be input. Okay. So your compiler, it will be output enter age. Then we have closed it. Then we have written scanf. So percentage of D, then comma, and this is address operator age. So this is integer, so we have written percentage of D. If this is float, then we will change it. If it is character, then we will change it. Percentage of C, percentage of F, I think that you have heard. So it will be input and that is output. It will be print and it will be input, that is the input. Then if your age, suppose your age, you have input, your age is 20. So you know that 20 is greater than 18. In this condition, your first statement, it will be output, means it will be print. So your printf, bracket open and closed, you have written eligible. So it will be show in your compile. If your age is 17, you know that 17 is less than 18. In this condition, your output is this. So at last we have written, then we have closed it. Okay. Every time we have closed our statement. At last we have written return 0. Return 0 means why? Because of we have written the main function int. If we will write void in this condition, no need to write this. Otherwise it will be treated as error. At last we have closed this. This is curly bracket. Okay. I think that you understand. You must write this code in your laptop. Okay. Then compile it. It is working or not. If there is any problem, then you must write. Okay. I think that you understand. So here we are solving only one question. If you want more questions, then you must go in the Geek for Geek website. In the Geek for Geek website, we have solved a lot of problem on this topic, and also we are solving many topics. And for each topic already we have solved a lot of problems. You must go their website. Okay. I think that you understand. Thank you so much.